Everyone, and today we will be making a breakfast fruit bowl. So let's get started. Pour your choice of yogurt inside of the blender. Add 2 bananas, a half a cup of coconut, half a cup of chia seeds, pineapple, strawberries, and blueberries. Blend until smooth. Add your granola. Garnish with fruit. Now breakfast is ready. And those look beautiful. Thank you so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're new to my channel and you like the content that you see, don't forget to subscribe. I thank you in advance. And remember, health is wealth and we must take care of ourselves. I see you guys on the next one.